Arija 46 pieces socket set includes wide range of various socket sizes for different nuts and bolts, precise fit for efficient and reliable performance. Compact storage, the entire set comes in a sturdy case, making it easy to store and transport the tools, keeping them organized and protected. The box includes sockets, ratchet, extension bar, sliding bar, spinner handle, ergonomic design with quick release ratchet handle for easy and efficient use. The ratchet has a rubber handle for comfortable grip. It has a quick release and forward reverse switch for quick and effortless operations. Locking mechanism retains sockets to make your work safer and more productive. Precise fit, the hex sockets are designed to fit snugly onto nuts and bolts, ensuring a secure grip and preventing rounding or stripping. Spinner handle, the surface of the hard handle is comfortable and non slip, making you more comfortable to use. The black spinner handle provides a joyful tool experience for you, suitable and convenient for your repair. T-handle socket wrench made of high quality chrome vanadium steel material with high hardness, rust and corrosion resistance. Extension bar and soft flexible extension for flexible and fatigue free work, and also durable chrome vanadium steel construction for long lasting use.